everybody. Hi. What you doing? Hello. My greeting team. Hi. Hello. Oh, hello. My goodness. Thomas, you're so pretty. Oh, yeah. And you too, Matilda. Yeah. Oh, my goodness. My greeting team. Hi. Yeah. Watch your toes. Watch your toes. I don't want to step on anybody. Here we come. Hi, girls. Hi, Lulu. Hi, Sweet Pea. Everybody's hungry, huh? You want your treats? You want your treats? We all gonna gather around the table? Yeah. Get your treats ready, huh? Babies. All ready for the treats. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Oh, Thomas. Okay. Okay, here we go. Some scratch and some dried worms. They're enjoying their treats. Some peas. Some peas. They love the green peas. Here we go. So pretty, Thomas Jake. Look at you spreading your pretty feathers. Yes, very pretty. Lulu, are you waiting? Are you waiting for me? Waiting for your treat? Lulu. Lulu. Oliver, hi honey. I see you. And Sweet Pea. Here we are. Hi girls. Hi, what is it? Huh? You want a treat? Treat Lulu. And Sweet Pea. Here's Sweet Pea. Here, honey. Lulu. Oliver. Sweet Pea. There they are. Pretty girls. Shall we give Oliver his food? Can you let me give Oliver his food and then we'll give you some more? Okay. Let's do that. Okay, Lulu? Sweet Pea, okay? Lulu. Yeah. Gotta give Oliver some food. Oliver! Hi, Oliver. Hi. How are you today? Hi, Oliver. Hi. Hi there. Hi. Yeah. Oh, he's sitting. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, what a good boy. There's your food, honey. There it goes. Lulu. And Sweet Pea. Pretty girls. Pretty girls. Some more lettuce. Sweet Pea. Pretty girls. So pretty. Look at those ears. Look at those ears. Yeah. Sweet girl. Sweet girl. Yes. Sweet Pea too. Sweet Pea. Lulu. You're too cute. Yep. You're too cute. Yep. Yeah, you are. Pretty girls. Pretty girls. Here's Sweet Pea. Lulu. Yeah. I know what you want, a cookie. Cookie. And Sweet Pea. She gets one too. Got the animal cookies. Lulu. Good girl. And Sweet Pea. Good girls. Good girls. Yeah. Pretty girl. So cute. Look at those ears. Look at those ears. I just love those long ears. Yes, you're just so cute. Yes. Oh, I know. I know. Look at that. Sweetie. Yes. Good girl. Lulu. One more cookie. And Sweet Pea. Yeah. I'll get you some hay. Get you some hay. Yeah. Look at those teeth. Look at those teeth. Sweet Pea. Okay. That's all for now. Let's see how Oliver's doing. We'll give him a cookie. Let's give Oliver a cookie. Oliver. Do you want a cookie, Oliver? You want a cookie? Oliver. There's a cookie for Oliver. Oliver. There you go. Oh boy, he's so busy eating. Yeah, Lulu, I know. I know, you're a good girl. Good girl, Lulu. Yes. Good girl. Mm-hmm. I know, he's so cute. Here's the chickens and the turkeys. They're sure enjoying this nice weather. It's 70 degrees, January the 12th. Nice sunny day here in Southern California. We got our blue sky. Love that. Hi, Thomas Jake. Oh, girls. Did you find bugs today? Yeah. Bet you did. Mm-hmm. Pretty girls. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. Bye for now.